Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, find Storage. Oh, there we go. Select your SD card. Gonna select Files by Google, and here you want to tap on the three dots, navigate to Storage Settings, and select Format. This will bring up a window letting you know that by performing a format on your SD card, this will remove everything from said card. So if you have anything on it that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise all the data on it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup of your card or the things that you want to keep from that card, I can proceed by selecting Format SD card. And obviously if you don't want to format anything, just go straight with formatting it. Now this process only takes a couple seconds, and as you can see it's already finished, so click on Done and that's all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.